Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Kaspa coin. First, you will need to set up your Binance account. This involves creating an account and completing the identity verification process, often called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. This step is crucial for security and compliance, ensuring your account is fully operational for trading. It typically takes a few minutes to complete the initial setup, allowing you to proceed with funding your account. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. You have several options here. You can deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank account. Another popular method is using a debit or credit card for quick and convenient deposits. Alternatively, if you already hold other cryptocurrencies, you can transfer them from an external wallet or another exchange into your Binance account. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy Kaspa. Head over to the spot trading section on the Binance platform. Here, you will search for the Kaspa trading pair, most commonly KAS versus USD, which is Tether. You can then choose to place a market order for an immediate purchase at the current price, or a limit order to buy Kaspa when it reaches a specific price you set. After purchasing your Kaspa, securing your assets is paramount. While keeping some on the exchange for active trading is fine, for long-term holding, it is highly recommended to transfer your Kaspa to a secure personal wallet. Hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, offer the highest level of security. Always ensure two-factor authentication is enabled on your Binance account for an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.